This 17-minute Tai Chi walking workout helps you burn belly fat, tone your thighs, improve balance, and boost circulation. Gentle, low impact, and easy to follow. Just smooth walking movements that leave you feeling stronger, lighter, and more energized.
Exercise 1.
Three, two, one. Start. Rise smoothly from the low stance as your arms sweep upward and open wide. Let your chest lift naturally and move with ease.
Next exercise.
Three, two, one. Begin. Step forward lightly as one arm lifts overhead in a smooth arc. Stay tall through your body and keep the movement steady.
Exercise 3.
Three, two, one. Let's begin. Lift your hands from the chest and open both arms wide. Let your upper body expand gently and breathe with ease.
Exercise 4.
Three, two, one. Join me. Raise your palms overhead, then sink gently into a wide squat. Keep your movement controlled and stay grounded through the legs.
Exercise 5. Three, two, one. Follow along. Lift one knee as your crossed arms release and open behind you. Stay tall, find your balance, and move with quiet control. Next exercise. Three, two, one. Move with me. Uncross your arms and sweep them wide as you hold the low stance. Keep your chest open and let the movement feel spacious. Exercise 7. Three, two, one. Let's do it together. Sweep one arm high and the other low as you sink deeper into the stance. Stay grounded and let the motion flow smoothly. Exercise 8. Three, two, one. Begin. Rise smoothly from the low stance as both arms sweep upward. Let your chest open gently and follow the movement with your gaze. Exercise 9. Three, two, one. Let's begin. Turn
Begin smoothly from the center as your palms open outward. Keep your feet grounded and allow the upper body to rotate with ease.
Exercise 10. Three, two, one. Join me. Step forward gently and press both palms ahead with calm control. Keep your weight centered and let the movement feel smooth and steady. Next exercise. Three, two, one. Follow along. Lift one arm upward and gently follow the hand with your gaze. Let your body lengthen naturally and keep the motion relaxed. Exercise 12. Three, two, one. Move with me. Turn gently to the side and extend one palm upward. Follow the hand with your gaze and let the body stretch naturally. Exercise 13. Three, two, one. Let's do it together. Let your hands drift from the center and open softly by your sides. Keep your steps light and settle into a calm, easy rhythm.
Exercise 14. Three, two, one. Begin. Draw your hands upward from the waist toward your chest. Lift gently through the upper body and let your breath flow naturally. Great job completing today's Tai Chi walking practice. In just 17 minutes, you've improved your balance, strengthened your legs, and taken another step toward a healthier body. Thank you for practicing with me. See you in the next Tai Chi session.